This is Dalhousie University, Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise.
Sarah Ruth Chater Lavis, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Paul Anthony Medeiros, Bachelor of Music with Distinction and the University Medal in Music. Rebecca Lynn Top, Bachelor of Music with Distinction. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of candidates who are here today to receive the bachelor's degree.
Mr. Chancellor, I have the honor to present to you the following candidates who have fulfilled all of the requirements for the degree Master of Arts. Ibrahim Badawi, Master of Arts in History. Genevieve Hazel Mazer, Master of Arts, History. Christopher Douglas Matthews, Master of Arts in History. Colin Samuel Rose, Master of Arts in History. Anna Kathleen Sheridan Jonah, Master of Arts in Philosophy. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of candidates who are here today to receive the Master of Arts degree. Mr. Chancellor, the degree Doctor of Philosophy is the highest earned degree awarded by the university, and as such represents the culmination of the candidate's educational achievement. I am pleased to present to you the following candidates who, through thesis and examination, have fulfilled the requirements for the degree Doctor of Philosophy. The awarding of the PhD degree completes a long cooperation between the student and his or her thesis advisor. We are pleased in this ceremony also to recognize the supervisor of the doctoral candidate, and we ask the supervisor to stand and present the parchment to the student following hooding. Following the awarding of the degree and hooding, it is with great pleasure that I invite our newest PhDs to join the faculty on stage. Chidi Igwe, Doctor of Philosophy and French, and his supervisor, Dr. Raymond Mapoho. Alain Flaubert-Tackham, Doctor of Philosophy and French, and his supervisor, Dr. Raymond Mapoho. Megan Birchmore Timney, Doctor of Philosophy and English. Her supervisor is Dr. Marjorie Stone. Mr. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of the candidates who are here today to receive the degree Doctor of Philosophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you now to join me in congratulating all of our graduates with your applause. At this point in the proceedings, I call attention to the families and friends of our graduates. We take this opportunity to extend our gratitude to you for the roles you have played in nurturing these splendid men and women who have just become Dalhousie's most recent graduates. In recognition of your contribution to the events we are celebrating here today, I call upon the graduates to rise along with the platform party. Graduates, please rise. And join together in expressing our sincere appreciation and thanks to all of their supporters for all you have done to make this graduation day possible. Please treat your friends and parents to thunderous ovations. Please be seated.